How you guys doing? Zilla Brazil right here. How you guys doing this evening, morning, or afternoon, wherever the fuck you are? Yeah! So, a couple questions people were asking me, and first question is obviously if I've actually heard the sound myself. I was with a couple of my friends, and I heard some strange noise. It sounded just like that, and I thought it was strange, so I thought it was nothing. A couple days later, oh, come in, what's up? It's Kevin George, look. We've been recorded for YouTube. Right there, how you doing? McLovin, that's Dina, and it's this one. We're just having a good night. So that's that. Oh, this is the guy that actually heard random noise in the middle of the night that woke him up. This is the actual guy.
Tell them.
It sounded like a huge fire alarm.
There you go. Thank you for that. It's good timing that this guy walked in.
Around like 12 o'clock, 12:30.
Thank you. 12 o'clock, 12:30 on January 18th of that night. So that's basically why. Yeah, it was 12 in the morning. So yeah, it was the 19th. And the last thing I wanted to say was they're asking me what can it be? Where is it coming from? Is it random people just making loud noises? Well, we have a lot of theories, right? The first theory.
Brazil TV.
Yeah, Brazil TV right here. All right, the first theory is obviously the 2012 happening and everything coming to an end and all that. That's obviously the first theory that everybody's talking about. Second theory is aliens, and because we're listening to these sounds and we're watching and hearing a lot of these UFO sightings, it's kind of weird, right? Another theory is about Project Bluebeam, and you guys should look it up and see for yourself. I was looking it up, and it's basically the government created this thing, you know, the army. It's called HAARP. Just look it up when you have a chance. HAARP. It's about electromagnetic stuff, and basically what this does is controls the weather, and if you're pointing it up, it's going to control if there's going to be a tornado, and if you point it down, there's going to be earthquakes around the world. Just look it up for yourself and you'll actually understand. This is basically why I just wanted to make this video, just make a quick response about all these questions that I've been getting, and just let me know what you guys think about this. It's a Zilla Brazil production, alright? So, bam, 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 bam! Have a great night, morning, or evening! Peace! By the way, I'm just going to leave a couple links down below so you can just check it out and see for yourself. It should be relevant for you guys, alright? Have a great night, morning, or evening! Bah!